Hey guys, it's your girl Christina with On Cue Makeup. Thank you for joining me today. I'm super excited about this video. Reason being is because I brought new products. Me as a makeup artist, I'm kind of stuck in a box when it comes to products, and I always have my favorites or my go-tos because I know it's something that's going to work on all of my clients. So if I love a product, I'm going to always use it. And I'm not really a product junkie. I don't go out and shop for new products. I don't go to Sephora and just check and see what they have like I never ever do. But since I've been doing my YouTube tutorials, and I know you guys like to see product reviews and how different things work, and of course I know you want to see me switch it up. So this weekend I went to Sephora and I got me some Rihanna Fenty Beauty. I mean, I heard so many great reviews about it. They said how it was matte. I love matte foundations. I love a matte look. So I went and got it. I absolutely loved it. Like, I thought it was great. The only thing is the medium coverage. So of course, me being me who likes a full coverage, I applied the foundation twice. What I did was I applied my foundation as normal, and then I let it dry for a couple of seconds, maybe 30 seconds, and then I applied another layer. Of course, I know you probably think that would be too much, but honestly, it really wasn't. It doesn't feel too heavy or cakey or anything like that. It does not feel any different from my foundation that I would normally use. So I absolutely love this. I love the finish of it because it's pretty matte, and I mean, I finished my makeup and it's still matte. Normally I would have to touch up and everything. So I can see myself using this foundation again, definitely, and I may possibly put it in my kit, but I'm going to try it on a few clients and see how it works with them and the longevity of it, and it's going to be a go. But I love it, hands down. It's a really good foundation. Now you guys know, if you watch my previous videos, I talk about not using primers. So since I was getting the Fenty foundation, I said, let me try the primer. This is it here. When I tell you, it was so light and it went on so smooth. And that's one thing that I have a problem with when it comes with primers. Sometimes they feel a little bit too heavy, or I feel like they're a little too slippery to where I feel I won't have the longevity that I need and that I want with my makeup. So I love that about it. So I'm definitely going to wear it a little bit longer and see how it does with my makeup a few hours later. But I loved how it went on. I love how it feels now. I love how it looks, and I love the fact that I'm not oily as I normally would be by the time I finish my makeup when I'm actually doing these videos under the lights. So that's a plus. So hopefully, guys, I found a primer that I can actually use and that I actually like, something that I can use on my clients as well. So I'm excited about that. Of course, I had to get the foundation contour stick. I got it in the color Truffle, and I love it. You guys know I was using my MAC foundation stick that's discontinued, but I wanted to do the Fenty just to try it out, and it was really, really good. On one side, I kind of went a little bit too heavy. If you can see here, it's heavier than this side here. But of course, I'm going to, do it differently. Next time I'll just add just a little bit. It seems like a little goes a long way, so that's perfect. And also in the video, I did not use a sponge. Well, I started off using a sponge to blend my contour, but I think I like the brush a little bit more because I feel like it blends it a little bit better and I have better control. And I'm still keeping the product there. For my concealer as well, I'm not going to use my sponge, my beauty blender, because I noticed that it was absorbing some of my concealer. And what I like about concealers is I love a full coverage concealer. So I feel that I don't get the coverage that I really, really desire when I use a sponge, because it's like the sponge is absorbing a lot of the product, and so that defeats the purpose. So with that being said, I found a new concealer that I absolutely fell in love with. I promise you I won't use another concealer ever a day in my life. This concealer, I'm like, where the heck have it been all my life? It is by Kat Von D. It's called Lock It. I'm using the color Warm M27 to get this look. I love a highlighted concealer as well, so I do go at least 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, but I love it because it's a full coverage. It's the perfect color, I feel, and it goes on so smooth. It does dry quick, so that's why, if you notice, I just put it on one side first, and then I go into blending it in, and then I put it on the other side and blend it in, because I really want to work fast. I don't want it to dry up on me without me blending it. So that's just a little preview about the products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the description box below, and I hope this video helped. Thank you guys so much. Do enjoy. Okay guys, please forgive me and don't judge me, but I did actually record me putting on the Fenty primer and then starting the foundation process, but of course, me being me, I did not record it, so just bear with me. Here I'm actually putting on the foundation, and you're going to see me put on a second layer. Like I told you once before, I was going to let it dry and then apply a second layer to get the coverage that I want. What I did notice about the Fenty foundation is that when you first pick the color and put it on, it's a little bit light for you. Like, it comes off really, really light, and I guess as it sits on your face, it warms up a little bit more. So it works out perfectly. But do keep in mind, when going pick out your color at the store, it will be a little bit lighter for your skin. But once you put it on, it'll be perfect.